Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Professor Christopher. Today we'll be discussing a common challenge that many English learners face, understanding English well but struggling to speak fluently. But don't worry, because I have 2 practical tips that will help you improve your speaking skills. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1, practice speaking daily. The first tip is to make speaking English a part of your daily routine. Just like any other skill, practice makes perfect. Even if you feel hesitant or make mistakes, don't let that discourage you. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Start by setting aside a specific time each day to practice speaking English. It could be as little as 10 or 15 minutes. Find a quiet place where you can concentrate and speak out loud without any distractions. You can also consider finding a language exchange partner or joining conversation groups online. These platforms provide opportunities to engage in real conversations with native English speakers or other learners, which can boost your confidence and improve your speaking skills. Additionally, you can create a daily routine that involves speaking English. For example, you can narrate your daily activities in English or have conversations with yourself in front of a mirror. This will help you become more comfortable with forming sentences and expressing your thoughts in English. Remember, the key is consistent practice. Tip number 2, expand your vocabulary and phrases. The second tip is to expand your vocabulary and phrases. Building a strong vocabulary will give you the tools you need to express yourself more effectively. Here are a few strategies to help you do that. Firstly, read extensively in English. Whether it's books, articles, or online content, exposing yourself to a wide range of written materials will introduce you to new words and phrases. Make it a habit to look up unfamiliar words and try to use them in your own sentences. Secondly, listen to podcasts, watch movies, or TV shows in English. Pay attention to the language used and try to mimic the native speakers. This will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your pronunciation and intonation. Lastly, create a personal vocabulary list. Whenever you come across a new word or phrase, write it down and review it regularly. You can categorize words based on topics or create flashcards to help you memorize them. Practice using these new words in your conversations to reinforce your learning. Remember, building your vocabulary takes time, but with consistent effort, you'll see improvements in your speaking skills. And there you have it, 2 practical tips to help you improve your English speaking skills. Remember, practice speaking daily and expand your vocabulary and phrases. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.